Hi guys, so in this video we're going to change the spark plugs. I haven't changed them in a while and the engine started misfiring, and what it does when it misfires is it starts closing one of the valves. So we're going to change it today. I'm going to show you what we're going to do, and yeah. So first step is I'm going to remove this cover. It just kind of slides out. Should, there we go. Just comes out like this. Okay. Now it's two T40 bolts here, and then you need to unplug this thing here. Okay, so T40 bolt. Yep, it's not tight at all. There we go. Just careful not to drop it. I mean, let's compare the new one with the old one, right? I think the middle part. Oh yeah, you see how? You see the tip? I think that's what it is. Okay, that makes sense. So let's fit them in. Before we fit them in, actually, I need to copper grease them. So I'm getting my copper grease. Okay, it's all greased up now. Show this one like this. Just go in. I'm just putting some more copper grease here, just so that it can actually go in. Go. Let's try it now. Yeah, so guys, actually the misfiring got fixed. So I run the scan, it said cylinder 4 misfire. I then cleared it, and now the engine's on and the code is gone. So yeah, the spark plug stuff caused that misfire. So we're going to take the car for a spin now and see how it sounds. Yeah, and I'll let you know after. So guys, yeah, the issue remained, and it seems like the problem was the coil pack. So I went and changed it. Obviously in the beginning of the video we took it out. It's the black thing with the four things that go on the spark plugs, but the spark plug needs changing as well. So anyways, replacing those two has fixed the issue. Now the engine's running just fine, it's idling just fine, and the problem's solved. Anyway, see you in the next video.